Hello crypto elites and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today guys, we got some real good news in the crypto space. I'm just gonna talk about VeChain, V4 and Bitcoin. If you missed my previous video, the main topic of discussion was VeChain and it was V4. I have VeChain up on the screen right now. In my previous video we was trading roughly around about this zone here, just above this green line, which is a 200-day moving average. I anticipate within a few days, which is currently now, we will see a big spike to the upside to retest this upward channel, as well as potentially our moving averages having a crossover in anticipation for a golden cross. See, today is potentially a special day. It could happen tomorrow, depending on how the charts go, but we are about to witness a golden cross in the VeChain chart. So if you did buy in at this point here, roughly just above the 200-day moving average at the 0.02247 mark, you would have made some nice profits. We are currently up by about 40% on the weekly. But this crossover here should actually see us at least break through this upward channel. And like I stated in my previous video, at least potentially retest this mark here, which is the 0.035 cent mark. We have not seen a breakthrough in this channel, as you can see, sideways moving channel, since the 11th of May 2022. Hopefully we can see this breakthrough once we have the golden cross on the VeChain chart. Now we have V4 up on the screen. Last video that I created, we had that big burst to the upside, instantly retraced back down to this sideways channel here. I did anticipate a potential drop and then a bounce back up off the support line, but V4 had other plans. It looks like we have gone into another upward trend for V4, which has deviated from our previous one. Again, retesting this resistance line. We are currently above it. What we're looking to see is a candle close above this mark here. We haven't had a candle close above this mark since 18th of August 2022. So a candle close above this resistance line would be special, because it means that we get to retest this mark here and potentially have that breakthrough back up to our next resistance line, which is looking at the 0.003 mark for V4, which is potentially double in price. Don't underestimate these coins. These coins could blow. You could see 100, 200%. There has been times where I've seen 2,000% on the weekly for these coins. So I still say it's massive, major, good buying opportunities. Even if we do see it hit to this point and break back down, our moving averages are crossing over. And when we have a golden cross, when the red line is above the green, so when the 50-day is above the 200-day moving average, we are in an upward trend. As you can see here, anytime the red is above the green, in this occasion you can only see it once within this chart, we are in a massive bull trend. We'll look at VeChain, exactly the same thing. Look, you can see that the red is above the green here, big upward trend there, red above the green here, big upward trend here. Now it takes me on to the Bitcoin chart. See, Bitcoin, we had our golden cross with Bitcoin roughly around the 7th of February. Bitcoin has rejoined this upward trend line after deviating, creating a double bottom pattern here on the support line, and we have rejoined it. We did see a slight candle close above this resistance line here, which was 18th of Feb. Since then we've been ranging in this sort of like upwards channel, which we can see here. Potentially we may see a swing back in this upward channel until we fill out this gap, which is roughly about 25th, 26th of February, and then see that big swing to the upside. We have not had a real proper candle close above this line since June 12th, 2022. So candle closes above this mark is special. It means that potentially we can start to retest this 100-week moving average. But before we get through that mark, we need to get through the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level, which is here. And going above that, we could see potential resistance at roughly about the $30,000 mark. So it's looking good to me. I believe we will see that big swing to the upside. As you can see, our 50-day moving average has moved up further whilst I'm filming this video, and we are up by 2.66% on the daily. So hopefully good things to come. I will be keeping my eye on these charts. So if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button, because believe me, I believe this week is going to be very, very interesting. Thank you for watching.